Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we are looking at this question and it says if root x plus root y equals to 10 and root xy equals to 10, then find the value of x and y. So from here, we are going to find the value of x and y from the given equation, which is square root of x plus square root of y equals to 10. And we are also given square root of x, y equals to 10. Let's call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. Then from equation 1, we have square root of x plus square root of y equals to 10. What we need to do is for us to square both sides. So this will become square root of x plus square root of y all to the power of 2 equals to 10 to the power of 2. This is the same thing as having a plus b all to the power of 2, which is equals to a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2 plus 2ab. So expressing this in this format, this will give us, because this is our a and this is our b, this will give us root x to the power of 2 plus this one will be root y to the power of 2, then plus 2 times root x times root y, which is equals to 10 to the power of 2 is 100. So from here, we can see that 2 cancel here and 2 cancel here, 2 cancel here and 2 cancel here. We are now left with x plus y plus 2 times root x times y is equals to xy equals to 100. So here we can see that x plus y plus 2, then we can see that from equation 2, root xy equals to 10. So we are going to put this as times 10 equals to 100. So this will become x plus y plus 2 times 10 is 20 equals to 100. So from here, we can see that we have x plus y. Here will become equals to 100. We transpose 20 to this other side, it becomes minus 20. So this will become x plus y equals to 80. So let's call this equation 3. So from equation 2, we have that root xy equals to 10. As we said before, we need to square both sides. So this will become root xy all to the power of 2 equals to 10 to the power of 2. So from there, we have seen that this is the same thing as 2 cancel here and 2 cancel here. We are now left with xy equals to 10 to the power of 2 is 100. So we can make x the subject of this expression. So this will become xy all over y equals to 100 all over y. Y will cancel here and y will cancel here. Therefore, we have x equals to 100 all over y. Let's call this equation 4. So from here, let's take from equation 3, which is x plus y equals to 80. We are going to substitute the value of x as 100 all over y into equation 3. So this will become 100 all over y plus y equals to 80. So for us to clear this fraction, we need to multiply all through by y. So this will become 100 all over y times y plus y times y equals to 80 times y. So this is going to give us one. Okay, y will cancel here and y will cancel here. We are now left with 100 plus y times y will give us y to the power of 2 equals to 80y, because 80 times y will give us 80y. So here we can rearrange this, and it is in the form of quadratic equation, which is y to the power of 2. Then we bring this to this other side, because minus 80y plus 100 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation, and we are going to use a quadratic formula for us to find the value of y, which is equals to y equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2a. From this equation, our value of a equals to 1, then our value of b equals to minus 80, then our value of c equals to 100. Substituting this parameter into the quadratic formula, we have y equals to minus b, which is minus into minus 80. Then we have plus or minus square root of minus 80 to the power of 2 minus 4 times a, which is 1, times 100 all over 2 times 1. So in that case, we have seen that our value of y equals to minus times minus 80 will give us 80, plus or minus we have square root of minus 80 to the power of 2 will give us 6400, minus we have minus 4 times 100 will give us minus 400. So all over 2 times 1, which is 2. We have that this y equals to 80 plus or minus square root of, this is 4,400 minus 400 will give us 6,000. Okay, this is 6,400 minus 400 will give us 6,000 all over 2. So this is what we have. So in this situation, we have y equals to 80 plus or minus this 6,000 is same thing as 400 times 15. So this will become square root of 400 times 15 all over 2. So here we move over to this other side by cleaning this. So here we have our value of y equals to 80 plus or minus square root of 400 times square root of 15 all over 2. We are separating 400 and 15. So this is what we have, square root of 15. From here, we know that our y equals to 80 plus or minus square root of 400 is 20 root 15 all over 2. We can separate this. So this will become y equals to 80 all over 2 plus or minus 20 root 15 all over 2. 2 cancel here and 2 cancel here, 40. 2 cancel here and 2 cancel here, 10. So we have a value of y equals to 40 plus or minus 10 root 15. So we can separate this because we have two solutions from this, which is y1 equals to 40 plus 10 root 15, and also we have y2 as 40 minus 10 root 15. So this is the value of y1 and y2 that we have. So we are asked to find x and y. We have gotten y and we are now going to find the value of x. So from here, we recall that when we have, okay, from equation 3, x plus y equals to 80. So from here, we can make x the subject of this expression, which is x will be equals to 80. Okay, 80 minus y. So from here, we have gotten the value of y. We are going to look for the value of x from this expression. So we say at y1 equals to 40 plus 10 root 15, where we have our x equals to 80 minus y. So for us to find the value of x from here, we need to have x equals to, substituting this, we have 80 minus y equals to 40 plus 10 root 15. So expanding this will give x1 will be equals to 80 minus 40. Then this goes it will become minus 10 root 15. So this will become x1 equals to 80 minus 40 will give us 40. We have minus 10 root 15. So this is the value of x1 that we have. So from here we take for y2, which is at y2 equals to 40 minus 10 root 15, where we have our x2, which is equals to 80 minus y, and our y is this. So we have x2 equals to 80 minus, we have y as 40 minus 10 root 15. So this is what we have now. So from here, we are going to expand this. So we have x2 equals to 80 minus those here, we have minus 40, we have minus times minus 10, we have plus 10 root 15. So this is equals to x2 equals to 80 minus 40 will give us 40. Then we have plus 10 root 15. So this is the value of x2 that we have. We are going to write it well for us to see the value of x1, y1, and x2, y2. So we have, writing that, we have the value of x1, y1, which is equals to, so the value of x1, which is 40 minus 10 root 15, then we have y1, which is 40 plus 10 root 15. So this is the value of x1, y1. So we have x2, y2 will be equals to, then x2 as 40 plus 10 root 15. Then we have y2 as 40 minus 10 root 15. So this is the value of x1 and y1, then x2 and y2, and it satisfies this expression. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.